health alert about romaine lettuce. Consumer Reports warns it could be linked to E. coli cases in 13 states. And Dr. Jennifer Ashton's going to talk about it. So what do we know right now?
Keyword right now is possibly or could, but I want you to take a look at these numbers so far, because in the U.S. and Canada, they are tracking some cases of an E. coli outbreak, so far resulting in 2 dead, 1 in the U.S., 5 in the United States hospitalized, and 58 people in both Canada and the United States ill from this. We have to put this into context. Every year in this country, there are 48 million cases of foodborne illness and 3,000 deaths. So right now, this is being followed closely by officials both in Canada and the U.S.
Are there any official recommendations right now?
Well, this is where not everyone is totally on the same page. Last night, we reached out to the CDC. They gave us this statement that at this time, there is not enough epidemiologic or traceback evidence to indicate a specific source of illness in the United States. Therefore, the CDC cannot recommend that U.S. residents avoid a particular food. However, officials in Canada and Consumer Reports feel that it's enough evidence to say it's probably romaine lettuce. So for the time being, avoid romaine lettuce.
So remind everyone why E. coli is so dangerous.
Well, first of all, we have to remember E. coli doesn't always cause disease. It's in our intestines, it's in the soil, it's in animals. But this particular strain, E. coli 0157, can be a bad actor. It can cause diarrhea, urinary tract infections, upper respiratory illness, pneumonia, and in some cases death. So it's something that, you know, we need to keep an eye on, not panic, but in
general,
important.
what can we do to protect ourselves?
The key is prevention, and this is why we say hand washing. It's not just to prevent the flu, but when you're changing diapers, when you're preparing food, after you use the bathroom, wash your hands. And then in terms of preparation in food, we call it the core 4. Clean it well, separate your produce from your meats, cook it to a good temperature, and after 2 hours of being out, put it in the refrigerator and keep it chilled. It's the most important thing.
Wonderful.
We'll be following
Okay,
this.
And we're following you, your month of, of abstaining from alcohol for no other reason.
Wellness tweak.
Wellness tweak.
Going into the first weekend with hockey tailgating.
I know. I mean, are you a little concerned about being in a social atmosphere?
I mean, we'll see how it goes. Last night I had a business dinner. It went fine. I had seltzer with orange, and there's so many viewers doing it with me that group support has been amazing.
Okay, we'll check with you on Monday after the weekend.
Thank you.
All right, Jen. Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.